You and I are whipping up a rotisserie chicken Alfredo pasta today. It's super easy to make. And while the pasta is cooking, you're gonna whip up the sauce, which is delicious, so good at home. Let's get to it. So over here to the left, I've got my pasta boiling. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start the sauce by melting some butter in my pan. I'm also gonna finally chop some garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, just use garlic powder instead. Now that our butter is melted, I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna toast it up for about 30 seconds to a minute until it's fragrant. It all smells like garlic butter. Is that not the best smell ever or what? So now that I can smell my garlic, we don't wanna brown the butter, so I'm immediately gonna add the half and half or heavy cream and some milk. I'm gonna stir this up. I'm gonna have the measurements to this recipe below the video for you. But I wanna make sure that you can whip up these easy midweek meals that take no time with a rotisserie chicken. So now stirring, I'm gonna add my Parmesan cheese, a bit of salt, pepper, and the secret ingredient is just a bit of nutmeg. If you don't have nutmeg, don't worry about it, but it just adds a hint of something like homemade into the sauce. So we're gonna stir it around to dissolve that Parmesan cheese into the sauce. And once you see your sauce simmering and bubbling, you're gonna reduce the heat to low and let it keep cooking for 5 minutes. Let's go drain the pasta. One quick tip is to make sure to reserve some pasta water before you drain it out. The sauce is saucy, creamy, rich, delicious, but you never know if you need to thin it out, so it's always a great idea. So to the sauce, I'm adding cooked rotisserie chicken or cooked chicken. You don't need a whole chicken, you just need about half a chicken, which is perfect if you are using one chicken for 2 meals, and we're gonna add it into the sauce. All I have to do is take my cooked pasta and add it into my sauce. Now that all our pasta is in here, we wanna toss it all to coat with the Alfredo and chicken. I'm pretty happy with the consistency of the pasta and the sauce, but if you're gonna add some pasta water, make sure to add just a tablespoon or so at a time, incorporate it, and then decide if to add more into it. Look at this, rich, creamy pasta, so good. This recipe is part of a rotisserie chicken series. So if rotisserie chicken is your jam, I'm gonna leave below this video a lot of recipes and shortcuts that you can use any night of the week to make super simple meals. You didn't think I was leaving the video without trying it, right? So good. Oh my God.